Hello students, I am Prashant Nikam. In this video, we have to solve remaining questions of D Shrama exercise 3.1. See the question number 4. Add the following decimals. The decimals are given 41.8, 39.24, 5.01 and 62.6. First, let write them in columns. So we can write these given decimals like this. And since these given decimals are not like decimal, so let's first convert them into like decimals. So 41.8 can be written as 41.80, then 62.6 can be written as 62.60, and now let's add them. 4 plus 1 is 5, then 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 6 is 16, 6 here, carry 1 point below the point, then 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 9 is 11, 11 plus 5 is 16, and 16 plus 2 is 18. Again carry 1, 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8, and 8 plus 6 is 14. So the sum of these given decimals is 148.65. In question number 5, we have to find the value of 9.756 minus 6.28. Means we have to find the difference of these two decimals. So let's write them in column like this. Since here is 3 decimal places and here in this number there are 2 decimal places, so let's convert them into like decimal first and then subtract. 6 minus 0 is 6. We cannot subtract 8 from 5, so let's borrow 1 from this 7. This 7 will become 6 and 5 will become 15. Then subtract 8 from 15, you will get 7. 6 minus 2 is 4. Decimal point below the decimal point, then 9 minus 6 is 3. In question number 2, 48.1 minus 0.37. Here also we have to subtract. So let's them write in column like this and then convert them into like decimals since they are unlike. Now again we cannot subtract this 7 from 0. So let's borrow 1 from here. This 1 will become 0 and 0 will become 10. Then subtract 7 from 10. You will get 3. Again borrow 1 from here. This will become 7 and this will become 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. Point below the point, 7 minus 0 is 7 and 4 as it is. So the answer is 47.73. In question number 6, take out 3.547 from 7.2. Means here we have to take out means what? We have to subtract this number from 7.2. So let's write them in column first. Then here is 1 decimal place, here are 3 decimal place. Let's convert them into like decimals like this. Then subtract. We cannot subtract 7 from 0, so let's borrow from the next place, but here also 0. Then we will borrow from this 2, 2 will become 1, this 0 will become 10, then again borrow from this 10 will become 9, and then this 0 will become 10. 10 minus 7 is 3, 9 minus 4 is 5, again borrow, this will become 11, 11 minus 5 is 6, point below the point, then 6 minus 3 is 3. So the answer is 3.653. Let's see one more question. In this question number 7, what is to be added to 36.85 to get 59.41? Means we have to add something in this number so that we will get this number. So to find that required number, we have to take the difference of these two numbers. So let's subtract 59.41 minus 36.85. Here also we cannot subtract 5 from 11. So let's borrow. This will become 3, 1 will become 11. Then subtract 5 from 11, you will get 6. Again borrow. 13 minus 8 is 5. Point below the point, 8 minus 6 is 2. And 5 minus 3 is again 2. So the answer is 22.56. So we can write the final answer like this. Hence, 22.56 is to be added to 36.85 to get 59.41. Thank you students. Have a nice day.